All right, so if we have some interesting looking lines here, one is horizontal and one is vertical. So their slopes are going to be a little bit different. If we have a horizontal line like we have here, this is horizontal. And sorry if you hear that meow, that's my cat Ashlyn. She likes to be a little vocal and scream when I'm not giving her attention. So if we have a horizontal line, that means we are not rising at all. So our rise is 0. And if we look at our run is constant. We're constantly moving side to side, but we're not running. Our run doesn't change at all. So our run is constant. So if we have our rise over run, if I have a 0 in the top of a fraction, that just means it's equal to 0. So our slope here is 0 for a horizontal line. Then we look to our vertical line over here. Vertical. Its rise is constant, so it's going to be a number like infinity. And our run, are we running left to right at all? We are not. So our run is 0. So when we look at our rise over run, we have a number over 0. And when you have 0 in the denominator or the 0 in the bottom of your fraction, that's not an actual number. It's a number that doesn't exist. There is no number for 0 being in the bottom of a fraction. So our slope is actually called undefined. It is undefined, does not have a number that works for it. It's not 0. 0 in the denominator does not mean it's equal to 0. It is not a number at all, so it is undefined.